Welcome back to my channel. Before we start today's video, the 2024 GR86 retains the iconic silhouette of its predecessor, but with sharper lines and a more aggressive stance. The low-slung profile, wide stance, and short overhang screen performance. The new front fascia with LED headlights and a larger air intake hints at the car's sporty intentions. While the design is undeniably modern, it still retains the classic elements that made the original 86 so popular. Interior. Step inside, and the GR86's focus on functionality is evident. The cabin is designed for the driver with all controls within easy reach. The supportive seats hug you in corners, and the use of high-quality materials throughout the cabin creates a surprisingly comfortable and well-finished space. While the rear seats are more symbolic than practical, the focus here is clearly on the driver's experience. The infotainment system might not be the most cutting edge, but it's functional and integrates Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone connectivity. Thankfully, some physical buttons for essential functions remain, a welcome touch in a world increasingly dominated by touchscreens. Performance. Under the hood, the 2024 GR86 boasts a new 2.4-liter naturally aspirated boxer engine. This engine might not chase the highest horsepower numbers, but it's all about delivering a smooth and responsive power delivery that encourages spirited driving. The focus is on driver engagement and the joy of manipulating the car through corners, not just chasing lap times. The GR86 comes standard with a 6-speed manual transmission, the perfect choice for purists who want to be fully connected to the driving experience. An automatic transmission is also available for those who prefer a more relaxed driving experience. Handling is sharp and precise thanks to the well-tuned suspension and a near-perfect weight distribution. The GR86 begs to be pushed on winding roads, rewarding the driver with a communicative and confidence-inspiring experience. Unique selling points. The 2024 GR86's biggest selling point is its focus on pure driving enjoyment. It's a car that prioritizes driver engagement and connection to the road, offering a refreshing alternative to the horsepower wars often seen in the sports car segment. The affordable price tag makes it accessible to a wider range of enthusiasts, further solidifying its appeal. Another unique feature is the GR86's lightweight construction. This contributes to the car's nimble handling and responsive feel, making it a joy to drive even on the most technical roads.